Well, you remember for years, Meineke was known as the muffler place. I mean, that's what they were branded as. Well, things have changed. Now Meineke is the car care center. And we're talking to Aaron Morisco, who's the manager of the new Meineke here in Gulfport. How are you?
I'm doing well, man.
They're located here on Creosote Road, just off of Highway 49. And man, this is a nice facility.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've seen it. This is really nice.
Definitely, man. Everything's brand new store, you know, in and out. Of course, we went through everything, all new equipment, you know, top-end, high-end stuff we can get, you know.
Well, I mean, let's talk about the change here. Meineke was known for so long for just mufflers. You know, if you wanted a muffler, you went to Meineke.
Yeah, exactly.
But I mean, when did the change take place when y'all started to just start doing more car care center?
Yeah, a few years back, Meineke's kind of had a complete branding change. You know, we still do mufflers, we still cover that kind of stuff, but now it's your full car care center. You know, anything AC, brakes, all those type of things. We could cover any kind of repair that's needed on the vehicle, you know, not just exhaust, but we still, you know, cater to the exhaust. And
of course, you still got to do the mufflers.
Yeah, exactly.
You still got to do the mufflers. Well, you see, I mean, y'all do front end alignments.
Yes, sir.
Suspension, wheel balance, brake systems, tire change.
Sir. Full service, everything that
you really are.
Need. Definitely.
Full service car care center. Well, we're going to kind of walk inside and kind of take you a little tour. Brand new location here on Creosote Road, just west of Highway 49. It's Meineke's Car Care Center. Now, Aaron, take us through the process whenever you bring a car in to get it checked out.
Every car that comes in the door, we give a 100% inspection on. You know, it comes in for oil change, AC, whatever it comes in for. You know, of course, we'll go with their initial complaint and service, but it'll also go through our Meineke complete inspection, you know, front to back, tires, brakes, everything on the vehicle. You know, that way, when we go to present the customer with the ticket, they can see everything that's going on with the vehicle, anything that needs maintenance, you know, wearing, brakes, things like that, you know.
Top off all the fluids if they need to.
All the fluids get topped off.
That's good.
Everything gets ran through, so the customer is completely aware, you know, of everything going on with the vehicle, even coming in for a simple oil change.
Right. Okay, well, I mean, you got a beautiful shop here and all the latest equipment.
Yeah, all of our tire alignment machines, stuff like that is all, you know, Hunter top-of-the-line equipment. This is our new Hammerhead series. Has the LED lights, you know, lasers that shoots over the tires to help the techs with, you know, setting the weights. It has a smart weight system to where, you know, it'll kind of go through and find the most efficient places to put weights so there's not, you know, several weights all over the wheel in different spots.
Looks like that one's pretty well done.
It'll go through, give them the weight amount, where to put the weight, go through the entire process for them. And it's all set up to be real fast and efficient, you know, that way.
Yeah, because if you have tires that are out of balance, I mean, that can mess, I mean, that'll cause more wear on your tires.
Yes, sir, exactly.
A lot faster.
It's all preventative maintenance type stuff, you know. Some of our oil changes even come with a free rotating balance.
And it says okay.
Good to go.
Yep, good to go. That's awesome.
This, of course, here too is the tire mounting balancing machine. If they get dismounted or need a new set of tires put on, this is where we'll do that at. You know, it's Hunter equipment, top of the line equipment.
Yeah. That's nice. You know, more and more nowadays, you really need good digital system.
Yes, sir, exactly.
To check out your computer, see what's wrong. I mean, with all the cars nowadays.
We have several, everything's on tablets and things like that now. Diagnostic machines that'll help us hook up to the vehicles, you know, pull any check engine codes and things like that may be needed. TPMS sensors, all the newer vehicles with all the TPMS stuff. We need machines to reset them and set them up properly whenever there's a balance or a rotate or anything like that on them.
Really nice. I mean, this, you know, y'all are on top of this, and you know, you do the wheel alignments. You know, you sell tires. I know you have the Cooper. We mentioned.
Yes, sir. We
have
Cooper
tires
through Meineke. You know, a big tire brand for us is Cooper. We will do, you know, sell tires, mount, balance, any kind of tire needs. We stock several different sizes.
Now this vehicle here is getting a what, front end alignment?
Yeah, so this also our Hunter Hawkeye machine. This machine can actually be moved out into the parking lot and do an alignment in the parking lot.
Really?
Alignment check in the parking lot, you know. It's a very high quality machine, helps speed up the process, you know, allows us to really offer a cost-effective alignment for the customers.
Well, I mean, this is another important basic maintenance.
Yes, sir.
That you should do what, once a year, maybe?
It's more or less checks, you know, say, you know, ball joints, tie rod ends, things like that, wear out and go out. So when the vehicle comes in, that's another thing we offer. You know, a customer calls with an issue, the vehicle's pulling, first thing they go to is wanting to get an alignment done. But what we offer with our free inspections, we'll check the vehicle out, see exactly what's causing the pull, what's causing the vehicle to be out in alignment, and address that issue first before we sell an alignment on it. You know, that way, you know, you pay for an alignment, a few days down the road, it's going to be right back out if there was something causing it. You know, so that's where everything's. Even AC checks, we offer free AC checks, free brake check. That way we can get the vehicle in, address what's actually going on with the vehicle before we just sell a general brake job or something. You know, we can actually sell what the customer needs versus.
What's a good rule of thumb for somebody who might need brakes as far as mileage on a vehicle? 50,000 somewhere, maybe get them checked?
Yeah, it kind of depends with different manufacturers, you know, but you know, 25, 30,000 miles usually, you know, you'll come up to needing a brake inspection, coming close to a brake job and things like that. But you definitely want to keep them checked because, you know, the longer you wait, more money it's going to end up costing with rotors and things like that. If it's just pads and we can put them on our machine and turn them, you know, it's a lot more cost effective versus, you know, having to buy a complete set of rotors and things like that.
Talk about the rewards program that y'all have here.
Our rewards program, just about any kind of sale we have, the customer can come in, you know, they'll get a key tag. It will be set up with their name, any of their vehicles they have, it will work with. But basically, every dollar spent, they get a point on their rewards. They can download our app, go online, things like that, and they'll be able to show them all their points, and they can put their points towards oil change, the brakes, you know, just about all of our services, their points can be, you know, accredited towards. So it's a real good system of, you know, keeping up with maintenance, and it also, you know, after a while they'll start getting free services and things like that. You know,
and you keep a good file of them in your computers.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sure
The computer keeps track of all of it.
Might send a little email, hey, about due for another oil change, something like that.
It allows, you know, the customer, one, to keep up with their regular scheduled maintenance, and also get discounts and free services along the way. You know.
Hours that you're open?
Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 6, and on Saturdays we're open 7:30 to 4. So, you know, we're 6 days a week, full service.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And they are located on Creosote Road, just west of Highway 49, like if you're going to the premium outlets.
Yes, sir.
You know, right next to Meineke. Everybody knows what that is. Brand new here. They are your full service car center. It's Meineke.